Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few different types of pages. We start in the Pages area in the App Designer and click on Add Page. First we add a content page to our app and rename it. This type of page consists only of components. You can find out more about components in our component tutorial. Further settings can be made for each page. For example, we can set here whether the page is visible in the navigation or not. This option can also be used to configure whether only logged-in users can see this page. Last but not least, you can add a background image to your page here. In addition to normal content pages, you can also display PDF files as a page. There is a separate page type for this. Add a new page and choose the page type, PDF. Now you can use the Choose PDF button to select or upload a PDF file, if you have not done this before. After you have selected a PDF file, it will also be displayed directly in the app preview. With the help of the small menu at the top right, your app users can also download this PDF directly. Next, let's add a gallery to our app and label it accordingly. With the button Add Picture, you can now add pictures and photos to your gallery. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop images directly from your computer into the gallery. Here we can now mark several images that we would like to add. You can also use this button to upload additional images or import photos from Unsplash. After we have selected some photos, we click on Select to add these images to our gallery. You can also change the order of the images via drag and drop. With the help of the little trash icon, you can remove pictures from the gallery. If your app consists of many pages, you can easily organize them using the folder page type. Let's create a folder as a test and give it a name. Now you can drag any number of pages into the folder in the page navigation and structure them in this way. Let's move the 3 pages that we just created into this folder. As you can see, these pages now appear on the folder page in your app and users can now navigate to the subpages. In this way you can create many pages without overfilling the main navigation level. The tabs page type works in a very similar way. Instead of displaying all sub-pages in list form, these are drawn as tabs. Let's add a new tab page and name it. As with folders, you can now drag individual pages into the tab page in the navigation. As you can see, the pages appear as tabs at the top and can be easily navigated. You can also configure whether the tab bar should be displayed at the top or bottom. You can also specify how the tabs should be displayed. With swiping gestures, you determine whether the app users can navigate through the tabs with side swiping gestures. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.